I understood that high-tier clients observe content differently than low-tier clients looking into buying ebooks, webinars, courses. Because the complexity of the problem that you are solving is way bigger. Hello, it's Hilde here, and if you're new to me, I'm a mom working full-time within sales while building this business on the side where I help service providers how to close their first high-ticket client organically. But I did not always sell high-ticket, because when I first started, I sold courses, webinars, ebooks, all to a low-ticket price point. And to be honest, it drained me. Really drained me. I worked so much and got rewarded with so little, so the income that I got did not match the hours that I put in. So I knew that if I was going to build this business on the side, while being a mom, while working full-time, something had to change. So I decided to transition into selling high-ticket programs instead. And honestly, it has been the best decision I have made for my business so far. While I previously had to close 3, 4, maybe 5 clients to reach my monthly revenue goal, I could now, by charging high-ticket, only close 1 to 2 clients every month. And transitioning into high ticket and only having one offer to sell at any time gave me so much clarity, but also it helped me to apply the right strategies moving forward, such as how am I going to get leads in, how am I going to close them, what kind of coach am I going to invest in. However, it meant that I also had to start to attract a new type of audience, because up to now, I have an audience who's looking into buying ebooks, buying webinars, low-ticket courses, or getting things for free. And that audience was not willing to pay a premium price to work with me. And how would I attract a new type of audience? Through my content. But to attract a new target audience also meant that I had to change my content strategy. I had to make content for high-ticket clients. So if you want to know how my content strategy changed from transitioning from low-ticket to high-ticket, keep on watching. So the first thing that I had to change was that I had to stop showing up as a creator and start showing up as a business owner. Because previously I had hide behind doing trending reels, trending audios, dancing reels, lip syncing reels. And I was coming to that realization that it gives zero value. None. Why should people want to invest a premium price when all I do is like showing up doing lip syncing reels with another person's audio? It makes zero sense. But to be honest, doing lip syncing reels, stupid transitions, by the way, was also scary, because who am I? I do not do this. I was so embarrassed. Like, what am I actually trying to accomplish by doing it? But to my defense, I was just looking what other creators in the industry did, and they all did it. And this was a time when Reels has just launched. So everybody was jumping on this trend, trying to get as high following as possible, the highest reach. And I thought like, okay, so I just had to do the same thing. Even though it made no sense at all. I was not creating any form of value. But you're not going to build a business based on lip syncing reels and dance transitions. If you're targeting high ticket clients, stop that, please.
Can you help a nigga out and just stop this? Please?
And also, we're heading into a time now where people are more careful about their money. They are not going to spend a premium price on something that is vague. So if your value and the result that they are getting is not crystal clear, they are not going to invest in you. And even though this generic content that I made, the quotes, the trending reels with the trending audio, it got a high engagement and I grew a high following based on that, it gave me close to 0 sales. I was not communicating my value. I was not communicating the return on investment that my client would get by investing in me. I was like, here I am doing a lip syncing reel, and by the way, I also have an offer. The link is in my bio. So if you want to close your first high ticket client, you have to get your ass in front of a camera, hit record, and start sharing your perspective, your opinions, and your beliefs. Show them what you know and how you can help. Stop doing lip syncing, reels with trending audios. Stop it. And the second content shift that I made that made me close my first high-ticket client was that I start producing long-form video content, live sessions. I understood that high-ticket clients observe content differently than low-ticket clients looking into buying ebooks, webinars, courses, because the complexity of the problem that you are solving is way bigger. It's actually that big that people are willing to pay a high ticket price for it. So I had to make one long form video content for this one person with this one specific problem. And listen, doing a 30-second reel of me talking was hard enough. And now I had to go on Instagram Live and do it all in real time. I was so nervous. Really, I was so damn nervous. What happens if I forget what I'm about to say? What happens if they ask me questions that I can't answer? What happens if they do not like me? What happens if I sound stupid? All of these thoughts running through my head. I was so damn nervous. And even though not many people are tuning in to my live sessions, and probably not many people are going to tune in to your live sessions, my first high ticket client watched all of my live sessions in replay. Because my live session spoke to the problem that she was currently experiencing. So she was able to watch me talk for 15-20 minutes about a topic that she was struggling with. It also gave her the reassurance that I knew what I was talking about and I was the one that could help her fix this problem. So your high-ticket clients, they want to watch a long-form video content about you addressing a problem that they're currently experiencing. That is why you also need to start creating long-form video content if you want to attract your first high-ticket client as well. And the third content shift that I had to make in order to close my first high-ticket client was that I had to stop creating this how-to content and start making problem-aware content instead. The majority of the people who land on your page or your new followers is not problem aware yet, meaning that they are not aware that they actually have a problem. So when the majority of your following is not problem aware yet, you need to make content and meet your audience where they are at. So when I started to do all these connection calls, I quickly realized that people are not aware that they actually have a problem or what the problem really is. Yes, they were aware that they were struggling, but they were not aware of what was causing the struggle. So I needed to create content making them aware that the reason why you're feeling a specific way, why you're struggling to get sales, why you're struggling to get leads, why you're struggling to get clarity is X, Y, and Z, and how you actually can solve it. And if you are one of those who find it difficult to figure out how to go about to create problem-aware content, I invite you to apply to my lead program where I help you to create content that attract and close your high-ticket client. So your audience, they know that something is off, they know they struggle a bit, but they do not understand and know what is causing it. So your job through your content is to tell them why and how to fix it. Your job is to make them problem-aware and meet them where they are at. You need to understand your audience's main struggles and problems and what kind of outcome they are looking for. And through your solution, guide them successfully in that direction. I hope you liked my video, that you found it valuable. And if you're like, Hilda, how can I work with you? You can either click the link below and apply to the elite waitlist, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn more about how to close your first high ticket client, don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.